Hi, my name is Kimmy Elias. If you're new to the channel, remember to like and subscribe. That would be really generous. I felt like I needed to sit down and talk to the camera. Had no idea what to say, but I was motivated. I had the stamina. To sit down and write a poem about what to say, that's the way I show them that I'm still here today. I just wrote this and reading it from my iPhone notes, but I don't care. This is what float my boat. I haven't left YouTube. I haven't stopped making videos. I'm just in a position that I have no clue on how it really goes. Those who figured this game out, for you my raw pictures are underexposed. Just so you can lift the shadows and clarity to save that pose. If you're a photographer, you know what I meant. This YouTube game is like digging gold, like crypto, you meant. You need luck, but can make a fortune by knowing what to do. I have no idea. I have absolutely no clue. One day I want to get paid of being a content creator, and I know I will be. But I won't hurry, and neither should you. Time will tell, and you will see. Gary Vee said it good. Speed's the effing devil. Take your time and build your brand. That will take you to the top level. So many people try to make the viral video, but the fact is that the most successful YouTubers have thousands unpublished videos on YouTube and Vimeo. If you're here watching this now, it's a sign to take it easy, don't stress, relax your mind. I think it's more fascinating to put this out in a rhyme, because if I would talk to the camera normally, I would just sound silly and seem like I'm looking for pity. But the fact is, I just wanted to press record and talk to the camera, write something, be creative, put it out on the board, edit, publish, send it, end it. Not everything, just this YouTube video. Wanted to get over the barrier to post some content. Maybe one day I actually will get paid to make this from another continent. Be true, be you, do what you love, and good things will happen. Press like and subscribe to see more, so you can, my next video, just tap in. Peace.